What's up, everyone? My name is Brian, and this is the introductory video for Hebrew Tools for Interpretation. I'm excited for this course to um, kind of get deeper into the Hebrew language, and then I'm also excited to use these tools as a means to better understand and interpret the scriptures in their original languages. I do believe that there's a tremendous amount of wealth of knowledge that gets lost in translation from the original languages into whatever translation that we or the church has been using. So I'm excited for that. Uh, on the other hand, I'm also nervous because the language is so unique. Looking at these Bibles in the Hebrew language, obviously reading right to left is kind of an odd idea, but as well as just staring at it, it seems like I'm just looking at scribbles on a page where there's virtually no association with my mind and trying to understand the language. So I've been putting off this course. This is I'm in the MDiv program. This is my fifth quarter, so I've kind of known that I was going to be taking this one in the Greek class and hoping that these introductory classes provide a nice foundation building that I could build upon later with maybe some more specific or advanced personal studies. And then along those same lines, I am hoping that these courses, the studies of Hebrew and Greek, can be fruitful for our communities around us, because I also believe that there's a wealth of teaching opportunities from the original languages that can help deepen all of our capacities for faith. So I'm hoping in that as well. A little bit about me. I'm living in Southern California in a small beach town called Imperial Beach. Uh, it is south of San Diego. We border Mexico, so there's a kind of a mixture of context of people that are here with the border crisis, we want to call it that, is basically happening outside of my back door with the border town. With that comes border patrol that we see on a pretty regular basis, and then we also have a pretty strong military presence. I'm plugged into a kind of a faith-based fitness ministry that's kind of an outreach using fitness as a tool or a means to connect with the community. I've been doing that here in San Diego for about 2 years, maybe a little less than 2 years. And then in the past year, we've been going over to Tijuana, Mexico, and kind of doing the same sort of idea with meeting people in CrossFit gyms and engaging scripture and fellowship with them. So I'm excited for this course and excited to get to know all of you guys a little bit more. God bless.